In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off the Wrike bot in just 5 minutes. We all know how handy the Wrike bot can be for sending reminders and updates, but sometimes it can get a little overwhelming. So, if you're ready to take control and customize your notifications, you're in the right place. Let's get started with this straightforward guide on turning off those persistent reminders. First things first, we'll need to open up your preferred web browser. Go ahead and search for Wrike in the search bar. You can use any browser of your choice, whether it's Chrome, Firefox, Edge, or anything else you're comfortable with. Once you locate Wrike's website, click on it to navigate to the main page. Now that we're on the main Wrike page, you'll find the options to log in or try Wrike for free prominently displayed. For existing users, you'll want to click Log In. If you're new or exploring, you might choose Try Wrike for free. But remember, you'll need to have an account to access the settings. So, if you're logging in, just enter your credentials to proceed into your workspace. Once you're inside your Wrike workspace, turn your attention to the upper right corner. You'll likely see your profile picture or your name displayed there. Go ahead and click on it. This will open up a drop-down menu that gives you access to various settings. Here is where you can manage your account preferences, which is exactly what we need to tweak those bot notifications. From the drop-down menu, you'll want to select Settings. It's carefully laid out to make customization easy, so click on it and look at the options presented to you. Focus on the left-hand panel where you'll find Email Preferences. Click on it. This area is designed for you to manage how you receive updates and reminders, which can be particularly useful if you're trying to cut down on the amount of email clutter. Now, let's find the specific notifications from the Wrike bot that you want to adjust. Scroll down and you'll come across sections labeled as Product Reminders or Task, Project, and Folder Updates. These sections contain the familiar checkboxes and options that control what alerts and reminders come through to your inbox. To turn off the notifications, simply uncheck the boxes corresponding to the reminders you wish to disable. Finally, the crucial last step is to save your changes. This is important, as you won't want to miss any vital updates if your preferences remain unsaved. Look for the Save button, usually found at the bottom of the page. Give it a click to ensure your new settings are locked in. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've successfully turned off the Wrike bot. Enjoy a less cluttered inbox and notifications on your terms. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more helpful guides.